Hello everyone, yeah, welcome back once again. So here is another one on SafePal. This is a Web3 wallet and you can use it to swap different cryptocurrencies, or you can as well send from Binance or any exchange into this wallet, and you can also transfer from this wallet into another cryptocurrency exchange. So here is a quick one on how to register for this app and get started. The first thing you should do is to use the link at the video description and download the app from Play Store. You can also download the app from Apple Store. Afterwards, you just open it and then you click on create an account. If you have an account or any wallet that want to be importing, you can also click right here to import an existing wallet. But right here, I'm doing this video for those of you that are new in crypto, or that don't know how to go about creating of wallet right here on SafePal. So you just go ahead and click on create a new wallet. All right. As soon as you click on that, it's going to take you to the next page. You have to select a pin for yourself. This pin is going to be used to access the app from your mobile phone. So yeah, you're going to be selecting a pin for yourself. So insert 6-digit pin of your choice. All right. Afterwards, you just use your fingerprint. It's going to tell you to enable your fingerprint. Go ahead and enable your fingerprint from the back of your phone, and afterwards it's going to take you to this place where you can decide now to back up your wallet. If you don't want to back it up, you can as well just keep for now, but due to security reasons, it's always very important that you back up your wallet. So just go ahead and click on this backup now to back up your 12 key phrase. It's very important that you back up your 12 key phrase. Okay, now there are two ways that you can use to back up your 12 key phrase. You can either use your Gmail account. You can use your Gmail account to back it up, either by clicking this backup to Google Drive, and it backs it up automatically in your Google Drive account. This Google Drive account is basically for those that are using Gmail. You can either decide to back it up automatically. Now, if you don't want to use this method, you can also use this backup manually. Click on this backup manually, write down the seed phrase, and then you are good to go. As soon as you write down your seed phrase, you can decide to you can now continue with the next step. Okay, now you can also do this one and also do this one as well, do the two as well. All right, as soon as you are done doing that, you can now continue. But if you don't want to go through that step, you can just skip this part for now and do it later. But it's always very advisable that you back it up immediately as soon as possible. Okay, so now afterwards, it's going to take you right here. What you're going to do now is the wallet has been created successfully. So congratulations, the app has just created your Web3 wallet for crypto trading for you. So just go ahead and click on next. As soon as you click on next, this is just a review on what some features in the app is all about. So you just click on buy. Whenever you see this buy button, this simply means you can buy cryptocurrency by just tapping on it. You can select cryptos of your choice to buy. All right, that's what the buy button is all about. Now you go ahead and click on next. As soon as you click that, it's going to take you to this page where you can see send and receive. Here you can send any coin of your choice by just using the address or the network address. You can send and receive any coin directly from the Web3 wallet. Now you go ahead and click on next. As soon as you do that, it's going to show up this means that Ethereum, you can start buying and selling any form of Ethereum network or any token. All right, you can hold any token of your choice. So that is how to complete your task. As soon as you click on next, it's going to take you to this page. So congratulations, this app has been created for you. So this is how to go about it. If you have any question, leave them at the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notifications so that whenever I'm dropping more insight videos, you'll be notified on time. See you in the next video.